Right, here's a deal for you. As long as you don't get fed up sending in your artwork to me, I won't get fed up sticking it in my Art Attack scrapbook. There's loads of it in here. This one's really heavy, and it's all brilliant. Take a look at this. Hannah's sugar paper layer picture is nicely set off by her watercolour wash sunset. Great techniques. And Ben's Picasso-style abstract portrait is bizarre, but brilliant. Just like Picasso. And Jennifer's charcoal cat really made me smile. Look at all that smudge work. It's fabulous, isn't it? And Katie's used pastel crayons for her study of a banana. Sometimes the simplest objects make the best pictures. And here's an interesting art attack from Nathan. It looks to me like there's a bit of printing going on there. How did you do it, Nathan?
I made some printing blocks by carving into modelling clay. I then dipped these into paint and printed them onto coloured paper. Finally, I decided to cut different sizes of a single shape and glue them onto a sheet of paper.
Yes, fantastic art attack. Making a collage by forcing yourself to use only one shape. OK, I'm going to force myself into creating a pattern with circles. Now, you need a piece of paper, any size you like, and the idea is to draw lots of different size circles on it so that most of them overlap each other. Now, you can use lots of different things to draw circles. You could draw around plates, cups, even reels of sticky tape. Or how about this? You could even make your own homemade compass. Just cut a strip of cardboard box card and carefully push a notice board pin through one end, like that, and then just pop pencil holes along the centre of it at varying distances, and then place it in position by pushing the pin through your paper. It's always a good idea to put some thick newspaper or cardboard box underneath just to protect the furniture. And then, depending on what size circle you want, put your pencil through one of those holes and draw. And round you go. There it is. And then take it out and place it over here, and just keep building your circles up. Different size circles, using different holes along the length of your compass. I'll do another one there. I think I'll do a bigger one this time. Again, just make it overlap. Let's go in there. Look at this. Whoa, just about fit that one in. Round it goes. It's a good idea to keep your finger on the pin as you go. And keep building your picture up, different size circles. Make sure most of them overlap, and then you'll have something that looks like this, a sort of manic bubble effect. And when you're happy with your pattern, you can colour it in. Now, you can use felt pens, pencil crayons, wax crayons, in fact, whatever you like. And the idea is to do it section at a time. I'm going to use a felt tip in here and just carefully colour each section in. And then when you get to the end, colour your next section in a different colour. So the idea is to build your picture up, but make sure that you don't do the same colour in adjoining sections. And if you do the whole of your pattern in the same way, when it's coloured in, it'll look something like that. Look at that, a sort of crazy circle pattern. And you can create all sorts of patterns going round in circles, and you know what? Every one of them is different. How about doing one like this, just using two colours? Or how's about using colours and patterns to block in your sections? Or you could even experiment with different types of pattern, like this one, nice and simple, or minimalist, as the arties would say. Or why not go really crazy and do a bigger, mad one? Look at that. Hang that above your bed, you'll go mad in no time. Try it yourself. Create a pattern by going round in circles. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.